The International Labour Organization says about 4% of global GDP is lost due to work accidents and diseases. This is one of the major reasons for having a dedicated day for the sensitization of construction site safety, health and hygiene for artisans and other stakeholders.
Today's event is about training of construction safety officers on health and hygiene, particularly as it relates to the construction sector. The initiative is to ensure that we are able to ensure occupational safety at all construction sites in Lagos. Construction is one of the most risk-prone sectors, and for us as a commission, our mandate is the safety of lives and properties.
Being the economic capital of Nigeria, Lagos does not take lightly safety in construction sites and that of the entire populace, with the promotion of efficiency and productivity to create a greater Lagos.
Lagos State Safety Commission have been doing great. We are on this zero campaign, and every aspect of the system. We had one last year, December 21st and 22nd. And I think with that, we had a little bit improvement in the construction sites.
Some of the issues discussed include site check, the big four construction hazards, and safety culture.
We need to improve on health and safety culture on most construction sites in Nigeria. And if you've noticed, the construction industry has the highest number of incidents and accidents, if I will put it that way. And in order to mitigate this and bring it to the minimum, people need to be trained on safe practices on site.
Having trained them on how to identify hazards, we also talk to them on how to reduce the impact of accidents, even if accidents occur. That's what we just talked about in the course of the training program that we had.
There's need for us to bring in regulations on construction safety so that workers can come to work and go back to their various homes successfully. A lot of things are happening in construction sites, not only building collapse, that when it happens we now start talking. We need to start moving this country from being reactive to being proactive.
Participants should ensure that as they move out of this section, they start preaching the gospel to everybody that for you to do anything on any site, first thing you must consider is safety, the second thing you consider is safety, and the third thing you consider is safety.
We have different reasons why we need to be safety conscious. The moral reason, economic reason. If there's an accident now, it will affect my company's reputation. Nobody will want to engage my company.
This will further assist all the construction companies to actually put in place normal safety standard, which will reduce the risk and hazard in construction settings.
I've learned one or two things, and I'll go out there to put it in practice and be able to let other people know what construction safety is all about in order to save lives and properties.
The Lagos State Safety Commission says it is possible to have zero accidents if everyone acts together to ensure that the culture of safety is entrenched in the state. And this agency is at the forefront of achieving this goal.